is a very important topic, that is how to make your PowerPoint slide. So I just start with some basic information. Just type a word Microsoft PowerPoint on your search bar like this. You can see an icon appearing on your desktop. Just click this icon. You can see a new PowerPoint slide. It's a very simple way to open a new PowerPoint slide. Or you can open this by just clicking a right click and new, just open new Microsoft PowerPoint. I repeat, just click right click, just new and then Microsoft PowerPoint. So just click this, you have your new PowerPoint slide. Write the name of your topic like PowerPoint slides. Okay, now just open this PowerPoint. Okay, you can see this. Just enter to start your new PowerPoint slide. So just enter this, you can see a slide appearing on your desktop. So just start with writing a title. So for example, how to make a PowerPoint slide. Okay, just name your presentation and then write a subtitle. Say, like I write Mr. Atif. Okay, you can resize this by clicking box or just selecting size of the letter like 40, 44 like this, and you can also change the color or style of this of your writing style by selecting a drawing tool. You can see upper top a drawing tool, just click this, you can see a different option appearing on your screen. So just click this and select any color you want or any style you want. So you can see the difference between previous and now. Select this also a different style or color like this. Just resize this, or you can select your writing style. In mathematics, being a mathematician, we used to write times square Newton. So times New Roman, just select this. In mathematics, we used to write this. You can select any language you want. So, dear student, this is how to make your first slide in PowerPoint. Now, in order to get your next slide, you just click there and enter. Just enter this, you have your new slide. There is another way to open your new slide is you can see a new slide icon. Just click this. You have different types like title slide, title and context, section header to content like this. I'm going to click a blank slide. So just start with a blank slide and put whatever you want. I just want to write an equation on a word on a definition. So just insert. You can see just click insert and select a text box. So student, select a text box and write anything you want. For example, just write how to uh, write a mathematical equation. Being mathematician, I am going to discuss how to write a mathematical equation in your PowerPoint slide or how to make your PowerPoint presentation related to mathematics. So write this as, just copy this and just control C and control V. So you have another box, or you can select by insert and select a text box. You can write anything here you want. So in order to write a mathematical equation, you have to make a shortcut. Now what is shortcut to write an equation? To write a mathematical equation, make some changing in your desktop. How? You can see, just go to this insert bar, just click this, you can see an equation, a pi symbol appearing on your desktop. Just right click this, not left, just right click this. You have different type of option like add to quick access toolbar, customize quick access toolbar. So just select the first row, add to access toolbar. You can see an icon appearing on your screen, where left hand side of your desktop. You can see this is a shortcut. Every time you just click this and write any equation, any mathematical equation you want. Okay, I just remove this and repeat this procedure. Just go to insert, right click this pi, add to access toolbar. You can see an icon, a shortcut appearing on your desktop screen. Any problem? Okay, now there is a correction. Now just click this pi. You can see you can write a equation on this box. Okay, I just want to write x square plus like 5x plus 2. So how to write x square? You can see a different bar appearing on your desktop. What you want to write, if you want to write x square, just click this shape, and you can see you have this option, this like this, or you can just directly write x square. So just click this, you can see there is x square. And just want to write an equation x square, for example 5x, select your small, plus 7 or plus 6 is equal to 0. That's a very simple way to write a mathematical equation. In order to write next step, just copy this, control C and control V, or copy this and paste this, and just make some changing on the second step. Like if you want to factor, then just convert this x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Okay, then again just copy this, control C and then control V, and just take a common x from first two terms. You have x minus 3, then take a common and minus 2 from the last two terms. You can see x minus 3. Now again select this box, or control or copy and paste. Just copy this, just right clicking this, copy and paste, or you can use shortcut by using control C and control V. And more simplifying this, we have, you can see x minus 2 and x minus 3. That's how to write a mathematical equation in your PowerPoint slide. You can see I select, every time I select a different box to write the next step. Why? It's very important to select a new box in mathematics, because if you are going to present a presentation, then there should be first of all the first step, then second step, and then third step and fourth step. In order to make this symmetry, you have to write each and every step in a different box. You can resize them by selecting all like this. Just convert this in bold. Just resize them like so 20, 24. If you want to convert this of any language, like in mathematics, we use Time Roman. So select this and you can see. You also resize this like and convert this into Time New Roman like this, or select this and like this. So this is a very simple way to write a mathematical equation. Now I am going to discuss some more tool about mathematics equation. For example, just start a new slide. How? Just start with a blank slide. So insert a text box like this, and or you can just click this pi to start a mathematical equation. You can see there are a different sign about mathematics. Students, today I am going to discuss this how to use this mathematical sign. You can see one by one I am going to discuss this. You can see two rows from left of your screen, and just click this. You have 3.5 rows approximately. This is all signs, all basic sign which we need in mathematics, like alpha, beta, plus, minus, since, therefore, etc. You can see, you can click there and you have different options like Greek letters. You can see Greek letter by clicking this, letter like symbols, like real set of real line, set of natural line, like operators. In operator you can see plus, minus, you can equal, null, equal, integration sign, plus, minus, greater than, equal to. You have different option. You can use this in order to write any equation you want. You can see in an arrows, some arrows like this implies, not implies, and all navigation and your this portion, then skip it, and geometry mean if you want to sign, sense, therefore, not parallel, you can select this, or right and angle this. So you have different option to select. But in mathematician, we used normally we use basic mathematics to write any equation, like say uh, alpha. You can write this as plus beta. So you can write alpha, beta in mathematical equation. This is your alpha, this is your beta. Now again select, you can see a blue equation tool on your upper side. So just click this, again you enter this equation. So alpha plus beta. Okay. So these are the sign you can see, you can use in your equation. Okay, next they start with fraction. You can see there is a fraction like this. You can write fraction this form, this form, this form, or just a built-in fraction like pi by 2 dy by dx. If you write a fraction, for example, just click this, write, for example, alpha over beta, or 1 over 2, write anything you want. So beta over alpha. So first one is a fraction, then second one how to make part or shape of any number, like just select this. Okay, I'll start with a new mathematical equation so that you can separate this symbol. So again start with a new mathematical equation. Just click, watch this pi. Okay, just click this and write anything like say, click this. For example, you want to write x bar 5. So just select box x for base and 5 for power. So write x5 and then plus 4x square and so on. You can use subset whatever you want. Now this is your second type. Now again select this pi, and I am going to discuss about third, what is a radical sign. You can select any radical sign by checking this. You can see you have your quadratic formula. You can write in built-in a square b square under root, or you can write under root like x under root 2 under root by using this radical form. Then again select a new equation to present integral sign. You can see in your second year on BS level, you have to write integration. So just select this. You can write indefinite integral or definite integral of any case. Like if I want to sorry, write a definite integral, I write this as x square and dx. And the fifth one is just start a mathematical equation. Fifth one is summation. These are the signs you use in sequence and series. Then the fifth one is bracket. All type of bracket, small, curly. You can select small bracket and write anything between them, like I write x plus 3. Then you can select function, trigonometric function of any kind, sine theta, cos theta, or you can select inverse function. They are built-in function, or you can write hyperbolic function or hyperbolic inverse function, or some built-in function like tangent theta is equal to sine theta, cos theta, or sine theta. Now next one is extent, mean power form. You can use this in mathematics in vector. So I just start this another equation and write a vector notation like you use in vector, like I vector or a vector. Suppose this is your a vector, or I component, this is your I component. So you can use this extent to write any vector equation. Okay. Next one is limit, or how to write a log in a mathematical equation. Just click this, just write limit like this. For example, limit x tends to a. This is a language about limit x tends to a like x. So that's how you can write any limit or log function. Then we have an operator. Then we have matrix. If you want to write matrix, just first select square bracket and bracket from bracket side. So just select bracket, start a new equation so that you can see. Okay, just select a square bracket for a matrix, not a determinant, and select any kind of matrix. For example, I just wanna select this time. Okay, select 2 cross 2 matrix like this and write anything you want, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are some tools to write any mathematical equation, and then come back on how to color this and how to present your presentation, how to make presentation. Okay, how to make animation. The next one is how to make animation. Animation, like you can see up above this word animation. So just select this like this, or select the row which you want to appear in first. Like I just select this and then animation, just click any type like this or this or this. For example, I just select split form. So this is your first number which appear on your PowerPoint slide. Now select second step, again select this box and select same or another animation you want. Then select the third one, like I select shapes. Fourth one, I select float in. So this is the way to convert to your steps into numbers like this, and you can see the outcome of your presentation. You can open this, you can see a bar, a cup, see there. So just slideshow, just click this, you can see a cursor. A slideshow is a shortcut way to open a slideshow. So just I click this and you can see a blank slide on your screen. So just right click or below click, so you can see your first how to write a mathematical equation, and the second step is to write equation. Third step is to start with your mathematical equation. You can describe your steps one by one by clicking this. That is how to make some chaining in your animation. Okay, now you can change the background of your PowerPoint slides. Like just click design. Third one is design. So just click design. You can select any design you want. You can see a different backgrounds, different themes. So I select this theme. So you can change any color you want to make your PowerPoint slide more interesting and more eye-catching. Okay, so you can change and you can also use transaction to mean transitions to mean, sorry, not transaction, transition to change your next slide. Like I select this, I select glitter. You can see your next slide will come as apply to all, and you can see a PowerPoint slide or slideshow. Just click this and you can see the outcome or your, that is this a glitter, that's called transitions. Okay, animation transition. So students, I think so these are some basics about how to write a mathematical equation, how to color them, how to change, how to design your PowerPoint slide. So it's the first lecture. Inshallah, I will give you some other lectures about this PowerPoint slide. Hope you understand this. Inshallah, we will meet some other lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.